In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get Pandora coupon codes. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then type in Pandora coupon codes and search for it. Various website links will appear. Using any of these, you can easily get promo code for Pandora. So go ahead and click on any of it. I'm going to try out this one, coupon follow. Once you're over here, you can browse through the coupon codes. You can see different offers such as 15% off, to $50 off, 30% off, and many more. Try any of it, click on it, you're gonna get the code. Make sure you check the expiration date, whether the code is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Pandora. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now provide your credentials and log in. Then you can make your purchase, and while you confirm the order, you can apply this code and get certain percent as discount. Also, you can check out other offers, and by following the same steps, you are able to use it. So this way you can easily get Pandora coupon code. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.